Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a CSS tutorial on freeCodeCamp, and we're going to learn how to use the clockwise notation to specify the padding of an element. So when you edit the padding, the space between the text and the border here, you can change it by using padding top, padding right, padding bottom, and padding left for each different size. But there's an easier syntax for it, and that's using the clockwise notation. So all you have to do is start with the padding, just do padding, and they follow the clockwise notation from top, right, bottom, left, and left, bottom, left. There's 4. And that's how you do it. And it's much cleaner code to write, and cleaner as in less code to write. So in order to do this problem, it's asking us to give the blue box class a padding of 40 pixels on its top and left side, but only 20 pixels on its bottom and right side. So we look at the blue box here, and we add padding. And we start at the top, which is 40 pixels. And we just think of a clock, top, right, and right is 20, bottom 20, left is 40. And semicolon, and that should be it. Thank you.